like you. Be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one. Only one.
नमस्कार, स्वागतम, सुस्वागतम, अभिनंदन, सत श्री अकाल, जय श्री कृष्णा, जय श्री राम and अस्सलाम वालेकुम. Hello and welcome back to my interesting channel, Hey Rajia. We're on the streets of Marine Drive, slightly busy morning. It's the season of monsoon in Mumbai. Before coming to an interesting topic for today, a big thanks to all of those who showed us nothing but love and support. We got an overall view of 100k views on our YouTube channel and 5k supporters on Facebook. So guys, our interesting topic for today is gonna be asking Mumbaikars about the Porsche incident which happened on May 19th. So for the guys who don't know, a guy called as Vedant Agrawal drove his Porsche Taycan on a speed of 150 kilometers per hour under the influence of alcohol, hitting and killing two young people. Their names are Ashwini Costa and Anish Avadhya, and their ages are 24-year-old young people. So we're gonna ask the people of Mumbaikars what's their opinion about this is. Let's see what they have to say about this.
Our next story is from India's Pune. It is about a 17-year-old boy who allegedly crashed his speeding car into a bike. Let me say that again. A 17-year-old boy who allegedly crashed his speeding car into a bike. What happened to those who were on the bike? They lost their lives. They were IT professionals. You know how old they were? Only 24 years old.
But we were asking about the Porsche Taycan incident which happened on May 19th. Two people were killed and the guy was led over 300 words essay. What's your take on it?
I don't think it was fair
Yeah.
because he was rich.
Okay.
That's why the media and the police were in favor of him.
Right.
Otherwise, he would have been jailed till now.
Exactly.
And
Normal people
this
might have been jailed.
confirmed
Would have been kept for jail for longer period of
for a
time.
longer period of time,
Right.
basically.
Right.
So I don't think it was fair. And जिसका लाइफ गया, of course, एक तो लड़की थी. So I don't know much about her. लेकिन जो लड़का था, घर का बड़ा बेटा था. And
Exactly.
he was the only one who
The breadwinner.
हाँ, breadwinner. तो अब उसके घर पे, तो अब फिर उसका घर कैसे चलेगा? वो सब वो लोग को नहीं देखा जाता है, मतलब
Right.
दूसरों की दया, वो लोग नथिंग,
Exactly.
वो सब कुछ नहीं देखा जाता. उनको
Exactly.
देखा क्या जाता है? पैसा. और एक्चुअली
Corrupt
पैसा
system.
हो, सब कुछ हो, करप्शन हो तो कुछ भी खरीद सकते हैं.
Exactly.
वही आजकल बहुत बहुत बोलते हैं ना, एकदम थर्ड क्लास ग्रेड का. और अभी बेचारे को पता नहीं उनके फैमिली पे क्या गुजर रहा होगा. कोई
Right.
पूछने वाला नहीं, कुछ नहीं, बस स्टोरी डाल दी. स्टोरी डालने से कुछ होता है
कुछ नहीं होता.
रीच आउट करने से होता है. रीच आउट करने से जाता है नहीं.
Exactly.
पैसा दे के मामला सेटल कर दिया. आई विश उन लोग के आत्मा को शांति मिले और जो फैमिली उन लोग के थे वो थोड़ा पीस में रहे, जो कि होते नहीं है. बस इतना ही.
Right. Okay. Thanks, man. Nice to meet you.
ठीक है. हाँ, ये यूट्यूब वगैरह पे डालते हैं.
YouTube.
चैनल है.
Channel hai. Guys, I'm so sorry to interfere you, but we were taking a social survey on a guy who two people were killed, right, by a Porsche Taycan. What's your opinion on that? You know about it? You don't know about the incident? A Porsche Taycan, a guy who was 17-year-old killed a 24-year-old.
The car accident.
Yeah, exactly. And he was let off with 300 words essay. What's your take on it?
The law system is very messed up right
It's messed
now.
up. It's messed up.
Yes, because
Mm-hmm.
you kill someone, you take
Exactly.
someone's life,
Exactly.
and they give what punishment?
300 words essay.
So what's the point?
Mm-hmm.
He is not a वो छोटा बच्चा नहीं था कि उसको 300 वर्ड्स का ऐसे लिखाकर और आपने छोड़ दिया.
Exactly.
बराबर, वो बड़ा था और उसको इतना वो था उसमें सेंस कि वो नहीं, मतलब अच्छे बुरे में वो फर्क समझता था.
Right.
लेकिन फिर भी उसने वो किया, मतलब उसका बोलते हैं ना, उसको कैरी नहीं है, कोई
Carry
राइट
नहीं
पे
है.
किसी का कुछ है वो.
Exactly.
उसको कुछ था नहीं.
Mm-hmm.
और इससे ये समझ में आता है कि इंडिया का जुडिशियल सिस्टम बहुत मेस्ड अप
It's
है.
bad.
मतलब अगर आपके पास पैसा है तो आप कुछ भी क्राइम करो और फिर छूट जाओ.
Right.
कुछ भी डर तो है नहीं. और ये सिर्फ मर्डर केस में ही नहीं, कोई भी केस, मतलब कोई भी रेप केस या फिर कुछ किडनैपिंग वगैरह कुछ भी हो, अगर एक चीज है कि अगर वो बड़े मतलब इसका है, पोस्ट पे है या फिर कुछ उसके पास
Then he's let
पैसा
off.
हाँ तो फिर वो चला ही जाएगा, तो क्यों ही डरेगा कोई crime करने से
Exactly.
पहले।
Exactly.
अगर उसको पता है कि हाँ मेरे पास पावर है तो वो सीधा ही क्राइम करेगा, क्योंकि उसको
Right.
पता है वो छूट जाएगा एक टाइम के बाद।
Wow.
स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन लेना चाहिए था, बस जस्ट
Exactly.
बिकॉज वो पैसे वाला था तो उसको छोड़ दिया, और वो भी इतना कम, एटलीस्ट नहीं तो भी 10 साल का तो भी उसको भेजते।
Right.
But
2 लोग को
कुछ
मारा
नहीं,
है।
हाँ कुछ नहीं किया।
कुछ
और
नहीं
वो
किया।
दो लोग का कुछ गलती होता फिर आप नहीं करते तो फिर समझ में भी आता, उन लोग का कुछ भी गलती नहीं था।
You do you know about the incident? You don't know? No.
इतना नहीं पता बट
तो एक्चुअली हुआ क्या कि पुणे जो मुंबई पुणे जो एक्सप्रेस हाईवे है, सो दिस गाय हु वाज अंडर द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ अल्कोहल पी के आ रहा था वो, और उसने 2 लोग को जो कि इनोसेंट थे उनको उड़ा दिया मोटरसाइकिल में। तो उन लोग दोनों माइट बी कपल्स माइट नॉट बी, दे वर कमिंग फ्रॉम अ रेस्टोरेंट राइट, एंड उसने उन दोनों को उड़ा दिया। एंड उसके बाद उसको पिज्जा बर्गर खाने दिया पुलिस स्टेशन में जाके, और उस पर ज्यादा कुछ कार्रवाई भी नहीं हुई।
तो वही ना, बड़ी पहचान बड़ा पैसा,
एग्जैक्टली,
हिसाब से आप
इट्स वीक
पिज्जा
राइट,
बर्गर, किसी को मार के पिज्जा बर्गर भी खा सकते हो, कुछ भी कर सकते हो।
राइट राइट
और जो गरीब है वो तो इधर पे थूक देगा,
Right.
500 रुपया फाइन लगा
राइट।
देंगे
और अगर ये ट्रक वाला होता तो कुछ और ही होता।
और ये होता।
एंड ही इज लेट ऑफ, उसको छोड़ दिया अभी, इवन दो इज 17.5 year old। ऐसा सिस्टम भी है कि अगर 17.5 year old भी है, आप उसको ट्रायल में ले सकते हो। इट्स अ जुडिशियल सिस्टम राइट, एंड नथिंग इज बीन टोल्ड अबाउट।
क्या बोलते हैं जेल्स, मतलब जिसमें छोटे बच्चे भी जाते हैं।
Right.
अभी जो थोड़े दिन पहले आई थिंक केस हुआ था बॉम्बे में, आई थिंक हुआ था, जो जिसने अपने पापा का शायद मर्डर करा था वो कुछ चिल्लाने विल्लाने पे, तो उसको लिया है।
ओके,
लेकिन वहां पर क्या, क्योंकि उसके पास पावर था और वो छूट सकता था, और अगर उसको अरेस्ट करेंगे तो जुडिशियल सिस्टम पे उसके मतलब थोड़ा प्रेशर आ जाएगा ना।
Right, right.
और सबसे मेन आई थिंक इलेक्शन का टाइम था ना, तो कोई ध्यान ही नहीं दिया इस चीज पे।
इस चीज
कि
पे।
नहीं, सब लोग ने लेट गो कर दिया कि जान दो, 2 ही 2 जन की जान गई है, और वो 2 जन तुम्हारे नहीं थे लेकिन किसी के तो
एग्जैक्टली
थे।
एग्जैक्टली,
इसीलिए अगर वही
इंडिया का अभी तक पीछे रहने का कारण यही
यही है,
कानून व्यवस्था।
कानून की वजह से राइट,
नहीं तो अभी पहले नंबर पे होता।
पहले नंबर पे।
यूएस
यूरोप इज डैम
यूएस कुछ नहीं इंडिया के आगे। इंडिया के पास इतना जुगाड़ है ना, इतना काम करने का तरीका है, इतना टैलेंट है,
दिमाग
बट वो
But दिमाग।
हाँ, दिमाग है लेकिन कानून नहीं आने देगा तो क्या ही करेंगे ना।
Okay, thanks a lot for your response. Nobody's talking about this in media, and that's why we are talking about it, because those two people,
Everyone should talk
those two
about
young
it.
people get that justice, right? हमें कुछ नहीं मिल रहा, हमें बस YouTube video मिलेगा,
हाँ।
that's it, right? Nobody's talking about it. Everybody's talking about politics. All
इसलिए
people are
तो नहीं
talking
कर
about
रहे
it.
ना,
हाँ।
क्योंकि कोई करके ही क्या फायदा, हम
everyone
लोग
want
करेंगे
that
क्या?
spice.
Yes.
They don't get fight in these type of topics.
Exactly.
Na? That's why they are not. Everyone is not talking
Okay.
about it.
Thanks a lot for your time, guys. Have a great day. I'm so sorry to interview, guys. I'm so sorry, but we were taking a social survey on on 2 people who were killed, right? No, I don't want to. About the accident, and nothing has been talked about in the media. And he's been killed by a 17-year-old. He was driving a Porsche Taycan under the influence of alcohol. He made an accident and killed 2 people, right? Anish Avadia and Ashwini Costa. What's your take on it? And he's let off with a 300 words essay. I mean, nobody's talking about it. So what's your take on? Can you all just give your answers?
It was out there on social media.
Yeah,
for about
because the media is trying to forget it.
for a week it was there, but now it's not there anymore.
It's not there anymore. What's your name, bro? What's your name? What's your take on it? Nice to meet you. He's from Pune. What's your take on? What's your name? What's your name? Shashank. Nice to meet you, man. I'm Raj. I'm Raj. Sri Raj. That's all. What's your take on it?
takes. It's in this country, I would be honest. So if you have money,
You can do anything.
so the life of poor and middle class doesn't matter.
Mhm.
Even if you see what exactly happened in Pune, there was a similar case which happened in Delhi.
Right, right.
He was some 16, 17-year-old guy. He crashed in Delhi. It was around 1 or 2 o'clock.
Right.
That case was totally closed. At least this case came into attention of media because people fought that guy.
Okay.
So this is what it is.
It's
if you
bad.
have money, then you can do anything.
Still. Yes, bro. Coming to the topic. What's your point on it?
Yeah, so as I was saying, there must be some reforms with respect to how what should be the
Have anybody studied law
for
here?
the guardians.
Yeah, studied law. Oh, we'll go there then. Next is her.
And if, for example, if any incident that is done by a minor, so responsibility should be there for a guardian also. Like they should, it should be like the minor is given a judicial custody or
Right.
at a like there should be a strict punishment to a guardian also. Like so that should be justice. That should be justice to the victims and everyone else. That's what my take on this particular incident.
Okay, that's great point. What's your name? Okay, what's your take on it?
Basically, what I
Yeah.
parents, especially the rich people,
Yeah.
they take law for granted.
Exactly.
That is the very basic reason why these things happen, because they easily give away the children.
Exactly.
The very crux of it is they shouldn't allow them, or rather, teach them driving till the time they are 18.
Right.
At least these kind of things can be.
Yeah. So that they are held responsible for the actions.
Because parents teach them at very early stage, they're not going to listen and they're going to drive, and parents itself are passing on this message that.
But do you think as a minor he should be jailed for at least 10 years?
See,
Because there is a law
he's
stating
not a
that.
minor. Minor cannot be sentenced for more than 3 years.
Ah,
In a
okay.
juvenile, he has to stay in juvenile, and juvenile cannot be more than 3 years.
Okay.
But because I think few months are only left for him to get major, is what I read from the news.
Right.
And these criteria cannot be decided based on 10 days. Had he done this after 10 days, he would have been sentenced for 10
Okay.
10 years.
10 years.
So these kind of things, I think law should be modified suitably, or judges should be given the power to give decisions not only going by the written, whatever is written in law, and especially if it is a matter of 4 to 5 months or something like that.
Right.
Similar thing happened in the rape case also. Like
Exactly.
the juvenile,
Mhm.
and few days.
And he was let off?
And he was let off
My
the juvenile for 3 years. And others, had he been the major, he could have been sentenced.
Sentenced.
So
Okay.
that is the biggest irony of the rape law.
Okay. That's some good response from you. Thanks a lot.
Thanks.
I'm so sorry to disturb you guys. Everybody has just kicked off. They don't. I'm so sorry. A social survey on 2 people who got killed, right? एक 2 लोग मरे गए थे, राइट? पोस्ट आइकन हिट किया था 17 साल के लोग, 17 साल का एक बंदा था, उसको भी छोड़ दिया 300 वर्ड्स ऐसे करके. तो आपका क्या बोलना है? कुछ ओपिनियन? और मीडिया ने कुछ कवर नहीं किया. बोलो यार. ऑफ कोर्स बहुत सारे लोग देख रहे हैं आपको.
आप पहले वाला था ना, वही
पैसे वाला था वो.
इसलिए तो बिल्डर था वो।
इसके लिए छोड़ दिया ना.
पैसे का पावर है। अभी वो वैगनर वाला
पैसे का पावर है
टैक्सी वाला होता तो भी
यार. ऐसा तो सब लोग वही करेंगे फिर.
सब ठोक के फिर बोलेंगे
सब
आपको
ठोक।
300 वर्ड का ऐसे दे दो।
सही बोला भाई. आपका नाम क्या है भाई?
नैतिक।
And what's your take on it?
It's actually not right.
Not right. What's your name?
Dharma.
Dharmi. Okay, nice to meet you. What's your name?
Vaidehi.
Vaidehi. Okay, so what's your point, Dharmi?
Obviously they are rich, that's why they did like that.
Okay.
300 का ऐसे होते
Essay.
2 deaths.
Right. It's not fair. And yours? ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. कुछ पता है उसके बारे में या? सुना था but इतना नहीं सुना. Okay. Okay, thanks a lot. Nice to meet you guys. Nice to meet you. Guys, I'm so sorry to interrupt you, but we were taking a social survey on a recent incident. 2 people were killed on a post icon accident. Do you know about the stuff? Do you know about the incident? तो हुआ ये कि पोस्ट आइकन चला रहा था 17 साल का एक लड़का जो कि अमीर था, रियल एस्टेट डेवलपर का बेटा था, एंड उसने 2 लोग को उड़ा दिया. The 2 people name are Anish Avadya and Ashwini Costa. Okay, they were 24-year-old techies in Pune. Okay, and nothing is being told about them in the media. So what's your point on it? And he was let off with 300 words essay. So what's your point on it?
In what point can I have about this? Because all these things should be taken seriously, but
Right.
because of all this, social media and all, player बनता है लेकिन उसका कुछ होता ही नहीं. I mean, if you have the resources, you can get out of any problem.
Exactly.
That's what we are portraying.
I mean, letting off a guy who has murdered 2 people with 300 words essay is hilarious.
I mean, if you want to take it as an article kind of thing, then the same thing happened abroad as well,
Yes.
where that person, he faced a 20-year prison time.
Prison, right? Yeah, exactly.
So,
Yeah.
I mean, if you want to compare with that,
Compare with that.
it's really like the judiciary or some whoever you want to point at. Basically, if you can get out of that, then what's the point of law and order?
Law and order, right? It doesn't make sense.
Yeah. I mean, if you have money, you can get out of any.
Get out of anything. Right. And the 2 people were damn young, like they were 24-year-old.
I mean, it's not fair to them as well. Because
Yeah,
they were
exactly.
not
They lost their lives.
They were. I mean, they were growing well.
Right.
If they're in IT sector, they have families to take care of. They were not doing anything rash,
Right.
but because of somebody else's mistake, they had to pay the price. Which
Exactly.
is not correct.
Exactly.
300 word essay is nothing.
Is nothing. What's your name?
Jonathan.
Nice to meet you, Jonathan. What's your take on it? Do you have any take? No, you don't have a particular take. You have, but you're not trying to tell.
Like क्या ही बोलेंगे अलग इसके बारे में?
Yeah, okay. What's your take on it? Should that guy should be jailed? You're not comfortable. Nah, I'm asking about the situation. Should that guy should be jailed for his deeds? Definitely, na, exactly. That's what I feel also, because he's been let off because he's a rich guy
Yeah, if
and nobody's the thing is
if you're wondering about the age or something, fine, don't put him in prison, but at least some sort
juvenile
of detention,
imprisonment, right?
somewhere where he can rehab on such things, and where it's not like कूटो ही उसको prison में डाल के मारो. He's underage, right?
He's underage, but he's 17 and like he's on the verge of completing
He's
his.
going to be 18.
Yeah, he's
But still, he was drinking, which is
Yeah, he was drinking under the influence of alcohol.
yeah, and I guess drinking is allowed after 2021
Right.
if it's a hard drink.
Yeah.
That also is kind of.
Exactly.
So all these things need rehab. These things need proper, mindset. You have to be taught. Parents ने इतना नहीं दिया रहेगा इतना.
इतना
They don't have time.
parenting,
They didn't pay attention to it. कि लो, पैसे लो, मजे करो,
मजे
live your
करो.
life. But
Exactly.
this went around very negative. So
Exactly.
all of these things need to be taught rather than punished, in my opinion.
In your opinion.
Because क्या करेगा? वापस से jail time होएगा, bail मिलेगा. So
जल्दी निकल जाए.
even worse.
Right.
You won't learn anything.
You won't learn it.
So this detention period should be where, even though he's done something wrong, but
Wrong.
he should have a chance at, being better.
Being better.
Of course, contributing something else, like to the society or some service.
Exactly. Okay.
All these law and order are like followed abroad. Like they
Abroad.
have a certain thing, not just the punish karke aisa ho. They have something to be better.
Right.
Here,
Exactly. I mean, India is lacking in front of law and order. It's perfectly lacking because the guy has been let off, and for me as a person, I feel it's very injustice to that two people who lost their lives. I mean, they were 24 years. Like, just imagine they were on their good careers, good life, and nobody's talking about it. That's the sad about it.
nobody's talking about it. I mean, what will people do? Just
Everybody will just forget, after
read
some.
it, say it's sad, and then move on.
Exactly.
Unless and until we as citizens don't come unite and do something about it,
Right.
like we need to unite and do like some sort of petition or some sort of. We have to come out if the law is not. But we sit back and like ये हो जाएगा,
हो जाएगा.
पर नहीं होगा.
नहीं होगा. Thanks a lot for your time, Jonathan. Have a great day. Oh, your name is? Nimisha. Have a great day. Your name is? Pratiksha. Have a great day, guys. Thanks a lot. Guys, I'm so sorry to interview you, but we were taking a social survey on two guys who got killed. And a guy was riding Porsche Taycan on a speed of 150 kilometers per hour. He killed two people, that is Anish Avadia and Ashwini Costa. Pune case, and nothing has been told about. Nobody's talking about it. They lost their lives.
Unused, right? For a long
Yeah, for a long period of time, some people were talking about it. Nothing has been talked about right now. He's been let off with 300 words essay. And what's your point on it? Because nobody's talking, we have to talk. And what's your point? What's your name, by the way?
I'm Prerna.
Prerna, nice to meet you. You look stunned right now. What is it?
See, the thing is, it's very logical.
Mhm.
There's no point talking about it.
Right.
This understanding comes from within.
Right.
Parents need to give their children a better education.
Education, parenting.
Yes.
But what do you think about the law system in India? Is
See,
it
again, when it comes to law system, maximum people running the government,
Mhm.
for example, suppose they are not right, logically, morally,
Okay.
then such things will continue. So again, it comes from within, understanding comes from within.
Okay.
And it is sometimes, nobody can teach you, no education, no parents. It's just inbuilt.
Inbuilt.
Yeah.
And do you think is it
comes with the observation.
do you think is it okay to just kill two people randomly and just fight?
Obviously it's not. I said now, morally, ethically.
Yeah, it's not.
It's not even a system, I feel. It's more about the
Yeah.
rich people, the money is the power right now.
Exactly.
Yeah,
What's your
That's
name?
what Pratik.
Pratik. Nice to meet you.
That's what is more powerful. It seems.
I mean,
If
it is
the
so
rich
silly.
People do these things, it's okay.
Yeah.
They can run away from the system.
They can run away.
Everything.
Right.
But if it was some another
Another poor guy.
person, then they would have made it a big news
Exactly.
and stuff like that.
Exactly. I mean, 300 votes SC just for two
Just
murders.
because he's not adult.
I mean, two
that's
murders.
such
He's
a-
just let off with 300 votes SC.
Right.
I mean, that's the justice system of India.
What examples we are setting for others.
Exactly. I mean, nobody's talking about it, and it feels so shaming. As a citizen of India, I feel so ashamed to admire कि यार, I'm living here. I mean, just imagine if something happens to me tomorrow, right? Nobody will come and talk if he's a rich guy,
People are not doing anything. That's
right?
even sad, right?
What's the?
The other powerful people,
Yeah.
let's say businessmen, social actors, even they are not speaking out.
They are not speaking.
Connected and
The
they
common-
need to support each other during the bad times.
Exactly.
We are two strong people.
Exactly.
In bad times, you are supporting me.
Right.
And when same time comes to you, I'll have to support you.
I'll have to support you.
Right.
It's like a tit for tat.
We are two strong people with bad mindset.
Okay.
And then
Exactly.
We are also business partners.
Business
So we'll
partner.
have to support each
Support
other.
each other.
Maybe as a commoner, we can't do anything, but at least they should come with us, right?
They should come with us.
Right.
Exactly.
That's
Nothing has been told.
That's-
So sad. They lost their lives. That's just like
It's been
that.
a long time. It's not
Been
like
long time. Yeah, exactly.
it was
It happened
there
on
in
May
the news
19th.
For 1 week, then it's gone again.
It's gone again.
That's most shameful.
Okay. Nice to meet you. Have a great day. Pratik and Prerna. Nice. Oh. Sure. Have a great day.
What channel is this on?
Hey Raj here. My channel is about public speaking and we go around. It's on YouTube. I have a small channel. It's sure. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Dahi और शक्कर आपके मुंह में. My channel's name I'll just tell you.
On YouTube?
On YouTube. Right now we did a video on Modi versus India. Then yeah. But we did public opinion. What's your opinion about it? Is he good? Whatever the facts, what people told us.
He is good, that is why he won.
Yeah.
There is still some.
But the opposition also won.
Not really.
Not really. 243 seats, I think. They got. No, I'm not trying to. I'm not trying to have a debate with you.
No, not a debate. I'm just trying to feel and understand.
She looks a little bit stunned. She's like, "What is she trying?" Don't worry, I'm on your side. No worries.
I was going to subscribe you, but not.
No. Don't be on my side.
No.
No, it's good to your side.
Oh, exactly.
Be on the India side.
That makes sense. This is our channel. We did Asking Mumbaikars. Yeah, sure.
You guys got the same phone? Oh no, this is your phone, Pratik.
Yeah. This is
Hey,
Modi versus.
hey Raj here.
Yeah, hey Raj.
Oh, nice. Otherwise, what do you do?
Otherwise, I was working as a financial advisor in Policy Bazaar. I was anchoring for multiple events, and then I left off with those things and I started my own thing. This is what I'm doing right now.
Oh, okay.
All the best to me.
Yes, all the best. You and your channel.
All the best to all of you guys. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Pratik, you're a great guy, man. You look like A. Rahman. I don't know why. He looks like A. Rahman, right? I was like thinking he looks like somebody else. A. Rahman is the perfect answer. Take care, man. Take care. Have a lovely day.
Bye.
Coming to the end of the video, this was the reaction of Mumbaikars on the Pune accident case. What's your opinion on it? You can comment on your thoughts and opinions, whatever you feel like. Should have been the guy, should have been jailed, whatever you feel like, you can comment on our channel and we will appreciate your comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our content. Amazing contents. Some amazing contents are on the way, and just be in touch with our channel, and thanks a lot for your time. Have a great day.
Gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you. the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true,
Network error.
Some biscuit.
So you all are bachelors or you all are bachelors? That's great. No, you. No, you.
Need some energy to interview people. Have one.
No, I don't want it.
Why?
It's okay. It's
Off
okay.
sugar?
I'm on a diet.
Yeah, I completely understand. Even I'm on diet. So I'm making people eat.
Have it.
Have it. Just once.
So you all are studying there.
No, we are not studying it.
Mhm.
We all are working for those ones.
Damn.
You can advertise your organization.
I'm associated with this company called Wandering Souls.
Okay. Wandering Souls.
Wandering Souls.
That's a nice name to start.
So we got them on a Sunday morning cycling ride. They started from Colaba College, went up to the party. Now we
Damn.
go back there and then go and have breakfast.
Damn, that's a good idea. So you all are doing business with it or?
No, so we both are associated with them as track leaders. But
Okay.
we both have our individual
That is great.
label of events. I work with influencer in content marketing.
Okay, I will take his number. He's label. Yeah, something happens with my life, then I'll call him, bro. Where are you? Because that's the importance of living in India. कुछ भी हो सकता है.
कभी भी हो सकता है. चैनल नहीं है.
तेरा जमीन.
Nice to be on. Is it?
No, it's not that.
Cycling.
Yeah, definitely one day I
eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through.
Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day. Have a great morning.
It's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you?